What are you doing, Calvin and Hobbs? Hobbs,
Look at Mama.
what are you doing?
Mommy.
What are you doing, Calvin?
I'm doing better.
You're doing better. I'm so glad to see that you're doing better. Look
He
at
didn't like
Ambry.
this one. He wasn't doing better with this one.
No.
That's what he's saying. I'm doing better.
Swim to Nana. Or swim to Ashley.
Was that good?
What you doing, Grace?
Kick it, paddle, kick it, paddle, kick
You
it, paddle,
swimming?
kick it, paddle. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Come on. Swim, 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 swim. Hey. See the air pulling?
Yeah.
Come here.
I don't see it, but I hear it.
Oh! I find it! Did you find it? Is it an airplane? Uh-oh. Don't drink it. Don't drink it. Don't drink it. Don't drink it.
You okay? Spit it out.
Jump, baby. Grace, can you jump? You can jump. You can.
Jump, Grace.
I've seen you do it.
Hang on to the side for a minute, Hobbs. Take a breath. Jump to Nana. This is how Calvin started. He jumped from here. Turn around. Turn around to Nana. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump. Come on. Jump.
Do it, Grace.